Hello everybody, welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. And at first, happy Christmas Day, all of you. So today I will talk that why do we wanna learn? Why do we wanna speak in English language? So that's what topic I will talk to you. I'm going to talk to you all. So in starting, if you wanna do anything and you wanna achieve anything, so you don't take just for easily. You will have to take seriously. Yeah, I must have to do, and in my future I have to must successful. Okay, so you don't think just like that. I can speak though, then no need to explore, no need to know more about English. So if you want really, if you want to really speak in English, and if you wanna become a native speaker, I mean, you wanna bring fluency in your while talking. So you do practice, and you do regular practice, because practice makes man perfect, and practice is the best key to successful. Okay, so actually I am also a learner, so I am just trying to say, I'm trying to make sentence that how to speak like a native speaker, and how to speak in English language. Just I'm trying, and this video I am making just for a speaking purpose. So guys, you know whenever you try to do any new thing, and really you want to do, and really you want to success in your life, so ask yourself that, yeah, in my life, in future, i I will success. I will success in your life, because first we say that, yeah, I will learn, I can speak. I always I can speak. I will try to speak, but we take just normally. So you don't take just normally. You will have to take seriously, because you are serious. You really you wanna speak. Okay, so you promise yourself, and you ask yourself, yeah, I will speak in English within 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. I mean to say that you keep a target to speaking. And I know that while speaking in beginner time, in a starting time, everybody's have a mistake, I know. But without mistake, we can't to learn anything. We can't learn anything, and we can't do anything. Learning is a key to knowledge. Okay, so just start, and just I know that I am also from rural area, and I can understand those about those who belong to rural area. But you talk yourself. I know no one would know in your family's English, but you talk yourself. And everybody's know that every person have two mind. One is a right way, and second is a good way. So just you talk, and whatsoever you are thinking in your mind, so just you try to think in English language. Don't think in your mother tongue. I know everybody's have lot of knowledge, and vocabulary, and more things which is related to English, but they can't speak. Why? Because they don't try to speak. This is the main reason. uh, After knowing all of these, I mean, after knowing all this structure about grammar, we are unable to speak. But why? Because we don't speak in a single day. This is the main cause. And uh, I know that while speaking, and first time, everybody will have to face this type problem, that uh, other person what will think about me. So don't think about those person, about that person. Just ignore, and you try to speak. Just you try to speak, okay? So bye, because I have to go for a special work. So bye. I will meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye.